This is our document jar. We keep our documents in there, you know. I don't talk about that, so my passport. It's a fair passport. I left my passport. What is $1? So I left for $1 here, people. Leave for $1. Everything for our dresser, our gift, our bududu. You understand? You see, some leave them. Make sure search your jar. The money not in a jar. Not in a jar. Never show nothing else. Got a bed over here, so. Well, got a bed over here. Knock off the light, people. Close our door. And I'm out. I'm out. Come here. I have to go up on the place now. I get the place ready and clean up. Oh, yeah. So I witness that to people. I witness here. Our sister has witness. That is our sister has witness, you know. So, I'm going here now. You know?